How's it hanging, guys? Connor McCaskill here, bringing you 5 tips in less than 5 minutes about the Canon EOS M50. Let's get into it. The first tip is to use the 4K. A number of people have written off the M50's 4K as a gimmick, which I kind of understand to an extent because it has atrocious rolling shutter and a 1.7x crop. Yikes. However, overall, the 4K quality is really good. So use it when it makes sense, like me right now, sitting down, talking to the camera like this. Basically, any locked off tripod shots, I try to shoot in 4K, even if I'm gonna upload in 1080p, because it looks that much better. Just make sure to adjust for the 1.7x crop by moving your camera back if you can. So yeah, use it whenever you can, because the 4K on the M50 is good. Moving on, the M50 EFM lenses are super tiny, which is great, but none of my 72mm ND filters work on this camera. This sucks. So instead of buying totally new ND filters for these lenses, purchase these cheap ND adapters. Seriously, they're super cheap, like $5 cheap. Now I can use my 72mm NDs on my 43mm EFM lenses. Super cool. Next, there's no Canon log profile on the M50, unfortunately. This really isn't a surprise because the M50 is a cheaper camera and this is Canon. But you can sort of cheat it by taking the neutral picture profile and bringing back all that nasty contrast, sharpening, and saturation that the camera bakes into your image. It's not a perfect C-Log copy, but hey, now we have more room to grade in post. Pretty nifty. Number 4, the Canon menu system is normally awesome, but seriously, who actually uses every single menu setting option that Canon has available? Not me. So take advantage of the My Menu screen and keep all of the settings that you are constantly using and saving in one convenient place. Pretty handy. And my final tip is to use the Canon M50 as a social media camera. Basically, I'm kind of lazy. So taking pictures on my camera, uploading them to my computer, editing them, then uploading it to my phone to then post it to Instagram is a lot of work because I'm lazy. Good news if you're like me, the M50 has great Wi-Fi Bluetooth integration built right into the camera. With the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, I can take pictures on my camera and they're automatically transferred to my phone in full quality if I want. You can also turn that off. Also, the photos will still transfer to my phone even when it's turned off, which is great. With an app like Lightroom, I can also edit the photos on my phone to upload high quality pictures directly to Instagram. And all this doesn't really take that long to set up. Neat. That does it for my 5 tips in less than 5 minutes on the EOS Canon M50. If you found any of these tips helpful, consider liking and subscribing. I really appreciate the support. Also, if there's anything you guys would like to see from me in the future, make sure to leave a comment down below. I really enjoy talking with you guys, and I actually made this video based on you guys asking for M50 related content, so thanks for the suggestion. Anyways, guys, I'm Connor McCaskill. Thanks for hanging.